What's up, guys? It's your boy Miguel giving you your daily dose of radiation. Today's video will cover how long does it take to become an X-ray tech. So to give you some credentials, been doing X-ray for the past 4 years, do night shift. And as far as the length of time it takes, so you have like all the prereqs you have to take, and then you have the actual program. So each one of those, depending on your school, will vary your given time. And I'll give you several situations so you can kind of give you just like a gist of what to expect. So what I did in my school, I believe the prereqs courses were like English 1 and 2, like 2 math classes. I think it was psychology, biology, A&P 1 and 2. And then you had, I want to say it was like some fine art. It was either art or music. It was kind of like thrown in there too, I think. Might have been one of those. Okay, so like it was like quite a few classes. And then I think it was like a computer course of like basic computer stuff. So it might have been, it was like several classes you had to take. So you could technically, depending on how many courses and how big brain, how smart you are, you could knock out all of those in 1 year. Or if you took the A&P advanced classes in high school, which could help you, you could do it in less time. But typically, all those for my school takes between like a year, year and a half. And if you're not that smart, maybe 2 years, depending on how many courses you take. And then certain schools like ours, if you took other classes, they may be not worth as much, but they would add to your overall thing. Usually, like if you're getting your basic associates, those kind of extra courses would kind of slightly help you to get into the program. You had those. Oh, and then I think we had medical terminology was another one. And then patient care, something like that. And then the actual program itself, ours was 2 years. Like the whole 2 years. And then now certain students they've cut it down to like 18 months, and they're doing something where they're pushing more of the prereqs to be before you get into the program, to cut it to like a year and a half. And then I've seen some schools where they have the more accelerated program where, I mean, if you're smarter, you can learn quicker. You can almost push it to a year. I've seen certain like places offer it like that. So like the time can vary depending on where you can go. But as far as what you need, you're just gonna end up with an associate's for most. Certain places, if you go to like university, you could end up with a bachelor's. But you usually with those that offer it, you'll end up with like a bachelor's, X-ray tech degree, and like a secondary modality with your degree, so that helps. So yeah, it's been your boy Miguel. See you on the next one.